is question number 5. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. Suppose this is the ground and a kite is height of a kite is 60 meter. Height always we measure by a straight line. So this is the height of a kite. Suppose here is a kite. Here is a kite and this kite is at a height of 60 kite is at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground, and we know that kite is not always on the head. String is like in this manner, in a slanting line. Always string of a kite is in a slanting line. So suppose this is the string of this kite and they are saying that the string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. Suppose this is the point and the string is attached to this point. Let us suppose this is A, B and C point. At point C we tied the string and this is the string here. AC is the string of the kite and AB is the height of the kite, and the inclination of the string it means AC to the ground is BC. So inclination it means angle between AC and BC is 60 degree. This is the angle. If we are here on the ground and kite is on the top, 100% our head is up, then there is what type of angle? Angle of elevation will be there. So this angle is equal to 60 degree. And find the length of the string. We want to find out this length. AC length we want to find out because this is the length of the string. Now next one again. One value is given to us. It means in this case perpendicular, because this is the angle. Side opposite to this angle is perpendicular and the side adjacent to this angle is base, and this is hypotenuse. And which value we want to find out? This base, because this AC we want to find out. Length of the string we want to find out. Again check the relation PBP HHB. Perpendicular is given to us. Hypotenuse we want to find out. So check the relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse. Perpendicular and hypotenuse, this is the relation, and by this ratio B divided by H we obtain sin theta. Okay. Now what is the value of theta here? Theta is 60 degree. So this angle is sin 60 degree. Now P is the perpendicular. Perpendicular value is given to us. This value is equal to 60 meter divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse we want to find out. AC we want to find out. And sin 60 value is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Again from the table, sin 60 is equal to root 3 divided by 2. When we apply cross multiplication, 60 into 2 is equal to root 3 into AC, and AC will be equal to 120 divided by root 3. Again we have to simplify this term. So multiply and divide by root 3, then we obtain 120 root 3 divided by 3 and 3 40. So AC is equal to 40 times of root 3 meter. This is the length of the string. So this value is the required value.